Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Mangalore style prawns rava fry. So now let's see how to make it. You can eat it as a starter or you can have it as a side dish for rice, fried rice. So now take 12 prawns. Add about 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, some salt to taste, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Now give it a good mix so that the prawns gets well coated with the masalas. Now let the prawns marinate for about 30 minutes or you can even marinate for 1 hour. Now into a bowl add half cup of rava, 2 tablespoon maida, some salt to taste, then half teaspoon red chilli powder. Now give it a good mix. Now the prawns has marinated well for half an hour. Now coat the prawns with this rava mixture. Coat it well with rava. Now coat all the prawns in the same way. Heat oil for shallow frying. You no need to deep fry. Once oil is heated, drop the prawns one by one. Now fry the prawns in a medium flame for 3 minutes. Now one side has cooked. Now carefully flip the prawns and cook for another 3 minutes on other side. Both sides has cooked well. Now remove it out from oil. Likewise fry the remaining prawns. So that's it. Prawns rava fry is ready. So I am going to serve it along with some onion which is cut into rings. Finally sprinkle some chaat masala on the top. It's optional. So that's it. Prawns rava fry is ready. Do try this recipe at your home and if you like the recipe, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.